Ladies and gentlemen, we are diving into VN app today, and I'm going to show you how to add text in a video. So let's get in. The first thing you want to do is, of course, download it from your Play Store. That's VN app. And at the top, you can see it says new project. Now they have a bunch of stock images and some templates, but we're going to go ahead and tap on new project. So over here, you can see that there are a couple videos. This is now solely from my gallery. I'm going to just choose a random video. I'm going to tap on next over here. So what you want to go ahead and do now, it'll take a little while for the video to load. So once your video is loaded, you can see over here on your track or your timeline, you can see there is a T, and you can tap on that, and here you can add text. So here you want to add a heading, a subheading, or a little bit of a body text. Whichever one you want to go ahead and do, you're going to tap on that, and now you're going to type out what it is that you would like. So here is your text, and let us just do 2 of those. Right, so now we're going to hit the check mark up at the top right hand side, but before we do that, you can see, of course, you can change everything about the text. So the font style you can change. You can also change the size, you can change the color, you can change the alignment, the case text style, the list style position, as well as the spacing, and then you can also change the look and feel of the actual text. You can go ahead now, hit that check mark, and if you would like to make the text appear on your video for longer, you can just use the arrows on the left and the right of the text. You can see that that's more or less what you're going to do there, and you can also then change the motion blur of the text keyframes. You can put a curve into it. You can lock the text there, duplicate it, and then also delete it. If you want to add text, this is how we do it in the VN app. We'll see you next time. Cheers.